Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making cheesecakes. Okay, nothing new. Cheesecakes are cheesecakes, but I am going to be doing something a little different with these cheesecakes because I am going to be air frying them. This should be a really fun recipe, probably not too difficult. So let's get started. First thing that I want to do is make my crust. I have these, oops, that's the wrong one. I have these graham cracker crumbs that I'm going to use. I just need a half a cup of them. I have 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'm just going to mix all that together. This, of course, is going to be my crust. I have sprayed my little cups with some cooking spray because I obviously don't want my stuff to stick. These are little silicone cups, and I'm going to just kind of put probably approximately a tablespoon or so. Kind of got a lot in that one. I'm not sure how much I need. I'm just going to... This is supposed to make six cups, but I feel like my little silicones are rather small, actually. I might end up with 8. We'll see. I'm going to use my fingers and push this down. It's fine. The only people eating them are me and Jessie. If any of them seem like they needed a little bit more, then I'll add it. Otherwise, I may grab a couple more little silicone cups and make a couple extras. Okay, and then my next thing to do, and I did end up with 2 extras, and all of that crust did fit in those. So that's pretty good. Had my cream cheese out softening for a couple of hours. Hopefully this is nice and soft enough. To this, I'm adding 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to blend that together. I think my cream cheese is softened enough that I don't need to use a mixer on this. I think I'm going to be able to just blend it together by hand. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of sour cream, and 1 egg. And I'm just going to mix all of that together gently. I think that looks like too much filling, but that's okay. We'll get through it. I am going to fill these about 3/4 full. Say that's probably about the max I want to go. And I'm going to see if I can even pick that up. Honestly, I don't know. I need to... Oh, yeah, okay. Because I need to be able to set it down into the air fryer baskets. I am going to finish this up and then I'll be right back and show you them going into the air fryer. Well, you can kind of see there was a little bit of extra, but not too bad. I'm just hoping those aren't too full. They shouldn't rise or anything. So I don't know that that would be too bad that they're that full. I'm actually going to be using both baskets. I can do 4 in each basket. So I'm just going to gently place these kind of apart inside the air fryer basket. So there you go. Get 4 in there. Still has space, so plenty of space for the air to roll around. I'm going to do the same thing in this basket. And 4 in there. Turn my air fryer on. Air fry. I'm going to do 320. Oops. I guess I'm doing 325. Mine doesn't have a 320. And 10 to 12 minutes. So I think I'll start with 10 and check them. I want to I want them to be set, but they'll still be slightly jiggly. So I'll see you in 10 to 12 minutes. They are done. They are just set, and just for curiosity's sakes, I did stick a toothpick in the middle, and yes, they are done. Now, I'm going to take these out. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours until they're nice and set, chilled through, and then I'll take them out of the little silicone cups, I'll plate it all up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!